How to create email filters in Gmail. This tutorial will show you how to create email filters in Gmail. Filters tell Gmail what to do if it encounters mail that meets specific conditions. To create a filter, click the Create a Filter link next to the search bar. The criteria below are very similar to what you'd see when performing an advanced search. We'll use the From field to filter all messages from a specific person. You can use a name or an email address. To test this filter using the existing mail, click the Test Search button. Below, the only conversation from this person has shown up. Now that we've tested the filter, click Next Step. Choose one or more of these actions to tell Gmail what to do when it encounters a message that matches the filter. Note that the actions will be performed in the order they are listed. Let's have Gmail automatically star the message as important. We'll also have it apply a label to the message. Click this checkbox to ensure that emails matching the filter are never sent to spam. You might also want to apply the filter to the existing conversations listed below. Use this checkbox to toggle that feature. When finished, click Create Filter. The filter has been created, and you've been taken to the Filters tab under Settings. Use these links to edit or delete a filter. Return to the inbox. To see the final way to create a filter, we'll open a conversation. Click the down arrow next to a specific message. Click Filter Messages like this. This familiar box will appear, pre-populated with the From address of the message. Proceed to create the filter just as before. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create and manage filters in Gmail.